how to fix TikTok. This sound isn't licensed for commercial use. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. If you're having this kind of issue, open TikTok on your device. First option is to simply switch your account from business account to personal account. In that way, you can use any sound. Another thing what you can do is then you can click on the plus sign at bottom and then select the video you want to use. After you've selected the video, press on next, and in here at the top you'll find sound. Click on sound and you'll find different sounds available. Simply choose any sounds from here. After you do that, you will be able to use the sound. And this is how to fix TikTok. This sound is unlicensed for commercial use. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.